Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something that can instantly make your website look modern and stylish, called CSS filters. Think of filters like Instagram for your website. With just one line of code, you can blur, brighten, and even change color, or even turn your image into black and white. Pretty cool, right? Let's check it out. So first thing is first, we should know what actually CSS filters is. They are actually effects you can apply to images, backgrounds, or even divs directly with CSS. No Photoshop, no external editor, just CSS. So let's open our code editor and do these effects on your image. Let's open our, I can say, folder where we will work. Let's delete this first. Let's open this in our code editor. I am using Windsurf. It is AI based code editor. I will use this. If you want to download this I will provide a link in description, then you can download there and you can use also this. So I will make a file, index.html. Let's start with our HTML boilerplate. Let's say I will zoom in somehow. Here CSS filters. Sure. Let's use image here. I will image with CDN. Like I will get image from. Can say I will open up browser. Browser is, you can say, home browser I have here. This is my browser, and Unsplash is a website from where I will get, you can say, images for free. Or you can use another website, pixels.com, and another website there is pixabay.com. There is another one, pixabay.com. You can use any of three websites for free images. So search for nature in it. Nature images. These are, we can say, nature images I am getting here. I will use this image. Let's click on this very image, then right click, copy image address. Sure. Now let's paste this address here, and let's right click, open with Livesaver. I am using this. This is image we got from internet, and I give address of that very image here, which is coming from, is it that very website like Pixabay. So let's style it. Use style tag here, and I will directly address the image tag. Let's filter. Firstly, we will give blur. Suppose 5, 10, whatever pixel you want. Suppose I will give 5 pixels. And then I am giving 5 pixels here, and go to here. This is blurred now. You can see this image totally blurred. Now, if I will reduce its blur, right? Suppose I will give 1 pixel. You can see somehow blur it is. If I will give 0, means no blur should be here. there is no blur on this very. Now let's give blur, you can say suppose 3 pixels. You can see 3 pixel blur is applied on this very image. There is another filter like sepia. Let's delete this. SEP. Sepia, suppose 30, 20, whatever you suppose 30%. I will give you 30% of sepia. Suppose I will give 100%, then it will give the exact, you can see result here. You can see this type of image it is going. Suppose if you want to change this in back on hover, suppose I will give here image like this, and if you want a smooth transition on it, then you can transition 1 second. You can see this is totally smooth now. Sure. And I will give another we can say filter here. Saturate. Suppose 200%, 100%, whatever you want. Suppose I will give 200% here, and I will remove firstly this thing, then and after I will you can see saturate. Suppose I will give saturate 500%. You can see this is totally reddish now. And then if you want to change it back into the real image, then you can see 100%. Suppose if you want to hear 10%, then you can see it will go to grayscale. This was we say another filter. Now I will show you what type of filters there. Now there is another one, that is grayscale. We can say brightness. Suppose I will give brightness 30% to it. Say it is suppose 100%. Suppose 160%, 150, whatever you want. It is going more brightened. Now brighten. Now we can say 200% I will give. You can see, feel the difference. This is totally brightened. Now if I want to back this on hover, you can use this thing. Now another thing we have like grayscale 200%, and after we can see when we hover on it, it will be on 100% back. Suppose this is totally black and white. Now when I will click on it, when I will hover on it, I will see, give it 0. This will also work totally. Now another one is Hue-Rotate. There is a filter called Hue-Rotate. You can see here Hue-Rotate, and you can see Hue-Rotate. It is in, we should give it in degrees, not in percents. You can see Hue-Rotate. This is we can say hue, which is in Photoshop, another thing. Now there is invert, another this is the last, not the least, but there is another one, this invert. We can see, I will write here invert. See, this is invert. Now there is a, if you want a combination of both 2, 3 or 4, something like that, we can do that also. Like I will firstly close this one, then go to there. Suppose I will give brightness, suppose 1.2, then give some space here, and then contrast 150%, and then space here, sepia 30%. Sure, and I will remove those things. We will check what actually happened here now. This is, we can see, we can also add multiple filters to a single image or a particular image. You can do these things like that also. So now there is another thing. Suppose if I have a division here, like I have a div, sure, no, div dot text area example. I will firstly give here, remove there, and I will paste it dot text. Sure, now let's start to let lorem. Sure, and I will do some styling to it. Position absolute. Let's see, this text should be, we can color it, and I'll go font size to Arial. And is there anywhere that text I will give another below to it, see visible anywhere. This is here, and I will z index of 1, I will say get it on top, and suppose I have an image with 100 VW and height is 100 VH, you can see, and object fit cover. Sure, this is our, we can see, image, and I will give here, we can say, background color white, and I will give some I can say transparency to it, and I will add some padding also. You can see this is. Now there is another effect I am applying, backdrop filter. Backdrop filter, 10 pixels I am providing. You can see this is div is filtered. Now suppose I will give 5 pixels firstly. You can see background is visible. I can see through this I can see div. This is another way I can style I can apply filter to any div. So this is, we can say, good we can see effect. We can also use glass effect by this. In another video I will show you how to make a glass effect using this backdrop filter and using blur, and another things we can use in that very video. I hope you like this video, and And you can see, I hope you like do you like this video, and if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like video, subscribe my channel, and drop a comment. Tell me which filter you will use first, Blur, Grayscale or Hue-Rotate, and I also type in comment which filter do you like. Thanks for watching this video, and hang out with me, and I will catch up you in next video. Keep coding and keep